This is the stage where most people give up. They assume that the wood is ruined. It's actually not. This is surface mold, and if you treat it properly, the slab can still be saved. Mold forms when the moisture sits on untreated wood. It feeds on organic fibers at the surface. What matters the most is whether it has penetrated into the structure, to which in this case it hasn't. I'm using vinegar because it neutralizes mold spores without damaging the grain. Sanding immediately would just spread the spores into the air. The top side wasn't too bad. The bottom part had more moisture exposure. That's where most of the growth is. So I'm working on both sides thoroughly but avoiding oversaturation. If you skip this step and go straight to sanding, the mold can retain under the finish, and that's something you don't want. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the full transformation, including the epoxy finish on the same table. After washing it thoroughly, I left it in the shade for some time for the treatment to settle before the sun dries out the surface very fast. Then, when I was sure that it has settled, I left it in the sun to dry.